If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Barrett up here in our North Woods Zone 4 garden. It's 4 foot wide for about 16 foot long. I got a couple of potatoes planted, a couple of leeks, a row of radishes, and today I'm going to plant some bush beans. Now, bush beans is a very versatile plant. It takes 40 to 60 days to reach maturity. And as long as you have that duration of time prior to your average first frost date in the fall, beans are the way to go. Let's say the beans take 60 days. That's the long end of beginning to produce. As long as you have about 75 days, you're going to get something off your plants. Preferably, you want more time, because as you continue to harvest, your plant will produce more. Early spring, you get them planted when the soil is warm enough after all frost is over, and you can, once they produce, you can harvest them all the way up to the day of frost, and when the frost kills them, that's it. But they're very versatile and really do a phenomenal job, and you can get a lot of beans off just a few plants, whether you do it in the ground or in a container on your porch, patio, or deck. So I'm going to do 5 rows of beans. I'm going to have 2, 4, 6, about 5 to 8 plants per row, and space them 1 foot apart, and we'll call that good. Now, this was a wetland at one time. I have tilled the soil. I have added wood ash to the soil. I've added leaf mold to the soil to help the soil and the plants. Now, beans will fix the nitrogen in which they need from the atmosphere, so that is not necessarily a necessity for them, but it's certainly not going to hurt the plants at all. 4 inches apart is kind of what I'm looking at here. 3 got into that. I'll take 2 out, move it over here. And if you get a couple of beans like there, that's going to be fine to go ahead and leave as is. Inch and at the most. If you get a little deeper, it's not going to be detrimental. And cover those up and call it good. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this portion of the garden. I think I'm just going to bring a summer squash in, plant there. I'd take up, that's 4 foot by 4 foot. That would be a summer squash, so that would work quite well there. So I'm going to cover these up, and won't need to water them in because the soil got rain yesterday, got rain a lot this week. So that will do it. Thanks for coming along on this quick little bush bean plant here in the North Woods of Wisconsin at our Zone 4 garden in the woods.